Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use wedding cards for decoration. First, select your most cherished cards, focusing on their unique designs and sentiments. Next, decide on a display method that complements your home's aesthetic, such as a framed collage or a charming garland. This easy approach transforms sentimental keepsakes into delightful visual memories, adding a personal touch to any room. Let's get started with some simple ideas. One elegant method is creating a framed collage. Select a frame that matches your decor, ideally one with a matte opening. Carefully cut your cards to fit, or arrange them overlapping for a dynamic look. Use a strong, acid-free adhesive to secure each card in place on the mat board. This creates a sophisticated display, preserving your memories behind glass and adding a personal touch to your wall. Another charming idea is a wedding card garland. You'll need a length of decorative string or ribbon and some small, pretty clothespins. Simply clip your cards onto the string, spacing them out evenly or creating clusters. This versatile decoration can be draped across a fireplace mantle, strung along a wall, or even used to adorn a doorway. It's a lovely way to celebrate your special day. Beyond frames and garlands, consider decoupaging cards onto a plain wooden box to create a beautiful memory keepsake. You could also cut out specific elements from cards to embellish a scrapbook or a journal cover, adding intricate details. These methods allow for even more creativity and personalization. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.